Hi, my name is Kishan and today I'm going to show you how to reduce the risk of being hit with an unfair dismissal claim by any of your employees. Keep watching to find out more. There are times when the dismissal of an employee may become acrimonious, leading to disputes or claims being made against you by the disgruntled employee. To avoid such disputes and the risk of litigation, there are certain steps to be followed when dismissing any member of staff. Number 1. Clearly outlined disciplinary procedures. In addition to providing the mandatory written statement of employment within the first 2 months of hiring an employee, all staff members should also be given a detailed employment contract and a comprehensive employee handbook, both of which should outline employees' specific duties and obligations within their roles, as well as the basis and procedures for disciplinary action and dismissal. These documents can then be referred to in the event of an unfair dismissal claim. To ensure that all employees have a proper understanding of the terms of their contract and the handbook, you should clearly explain them to all employees and prospective employees in the presence of a third party. Number 2. Take preventative measures. To avoid the incidence of internal conflicts with employees and the need for disciplinary action, including dismissal, every effort should be made to manage employees effectively. Now, this may include regular meetings with employees and their representatives, as well as periodic appraisals and assessments. It is equally important that employees regularly receive constructive feedback, as well as opportunities for advancement and training. As an employer, strive to be generous with giving support and deserved praise, and consider what incentive schemes could be in place to maintain a productive workplace with high levels of employee satisfaction and morale. Number 3. Legally required procedures. If, despite your best managerial efforts, there is still a conflict, never fire an employee impulsively, as this can easily expose you to unfair dismissal claims. Before deciding to dismiss an employee on the grounds of gross misconduct or poor performance, you must refer to the ACAS Statutory Code of Practice on Disciplinary and Grievance Procedures, which outlines the proper and fair steps for taking disciplinary measures before dismissing an employee, including holding a meeting with the employee to discuss any issues and writing a written warning. A solicitor specializing in employment disputes should be consulted before any action is taken to ensure what the conflict is managed properly, saving you the time, hassle, and cost of litigation. For specialist legal advice on employment law, dispute resolution, and company law, contact us at the London Law Practice today.